Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a lot of people don't like to have AI on their computers. And one of the things that a lot of people don't like is to have Copilot on their computers or use Copilot in any way. And here's the thing. Microsoft is preparing, and it's going to start with business apparently, but it will probably creep down to users at home. Copilot, which is part of Edge, basically, well, they have decided that they will now have eventually a Copilot for Google Chrome. And the reason why is because they understand that a lot of people don't use Microsoft Edge, but a lot of people use Google Chrome. So they have decided that there will be a Copilot for Chrome available. Now, this will be optional, so at least people don't have to deal with Copilot in Chrome if they don't want to. But it's another way of Microsoft trying to have Copilot everywhere in a PC, including in browsers that most people use because they know that Edge is not very popular. So once again, Microsoft is really pushing hard the Copilot thing and the AI. A lot of people have been, there's been a lot of comments about the AI from one of the videos I posted where Microsoft has been saying that they're going to push the agentic code into Windows to make it really AI everywhere. And this is a trend, and all operating systems will eventually fall into it. But now we have something else that Microsoft wants to push, Copilot for Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.